Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today I'm gonna share tutorial of new TikTok trend called Ride Advanced Result. Get your clips ready, as the clips are short so widen the view of project. Click on first clip and go to animation. And select paddling. And set its duration 0.5 sec. I know many of you don't have Capcut Pro, but don't worry. I'll put the link in description. Click on second clip and go to animation. Select bottom swing. Duration 0.3 sec. Now apply rock horizontally on third clip with same duration. Apply last two animations to the rest of clip with same sequence. Set duration 0.2 sec for sixth clip cause it's shorter. After that, move to second clip and go to video effects. Then go to opening and closing and select oblique blur. Make its length shorter, about half of the clip. Go to object and select all videos. Then add a keyframe at the start of clip and set its rotate 50 and blur 100. Then add another keyframe at the end and set its blur 0. Next, go to graphs and select ease out 3. Copy this effect and drag it to the start of fourth and sixth clip. Adjust the effect on sixth clip cause it's short for effect. Now again copy it and drag it to third clip, but reset its rotate 100 on both keyframe. Then copy this one and drag it to start of fifth and seventh clip. But you again need to readjust the effect on fifth clip. Now copy all these effects thrice to enhance the effect. Again, go to video effects and then go to lens. And select mini zoom. Set its speed 25 and range 10. Expand it. Now save this much in your storage. Come back to the same project and add the video we just saved. Trim out the first clip from this. And then trim out the blank part from end. Apply flash out animation. Duration 0.5 sec. Go to video effects and then go to glitch and select color glitch. 2. Set its lateral and longitudinal CA 50 and speed 20. Expand the effect. And finally, we are all done. Save your video and enjoy.